शास्त्र के 6वां श्लोक में वर्णन हो रहा है। नयनं गलदश्रुधारयां वदनं गलदरुद्धया गिरा पुरार्कैर्निजितं वपु कदा तव नाम ग्रहणे भविष्यति। हे प्रभु, आपका नाम ग्रहण करते समय मेरे नयन अश्रुधारा से, मेरा मुख गदगद वाणी से और मेरा शरीर पुलकावलियों से कब व्यक्त होगा। महाप्रभु गंभीरा में विराजमान थे।
When Mahaprabhu, Hare Krishna, Shiva Gurudev. When Mahaprabhu was staying in Gambhira, and he always observed his mind in Radha Bhava. In the Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is saying that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he always think himself that I am Radha. So 24 years he performed household leelas, and then after 24 years he took sannyas, and then so 24 years he was staying in Jagannath Puri. So first 6 years after the sannyas he traveled here and there, and then continue Gambhira. Okay, so after 30 years, 18 years, he continuously stayed in Gambhira, Jagannath. And last 6 years he performed the transcendental mode of Radhika. He was observed in mind the Radhika's pastimes. When Udram entered into Vrindavan, when he took the darshan of Unmad darshan of Srimati Radhika Rani, so at the highest stage of love, when you reach there, so what kind of bhav and the vikar develop in the body, so all that bhav developed in the body of Sriman Mahaprabhu. At the time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he had 3 stages like Vajyavastha, external activity Vajyavastha. Second one is Ardha Vajyavastha, half external stage, and the third was in Antardasha, the internal stage, Vajyadasha, Ardha Vajyadasha, Antardasha. Antardasha means completely observe in internal transcendental mode. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was performing external stage, external mode, so he used to talk with the devotees, he used to perform Nam Sankirtan, and he used to ask that how you all are. And when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was entered into the half external stage, so in that mode, so whatever was happening there, so that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu so told his experiences and realization before the devotees. Just like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told that today
राधा कुंड में वृंदावन में चले।
So I went to Vrindavan in Radha Kund today.
यमुना को दर्शन किया।
I took the darshan of Yamuna ji,
कृष्ण के प्रकार
the how Krishna
गोपियों के साथ
with the gopis
यमुना में
in the Yamuna, he was taking bath. So I took all the darshan.
फिर मैंने
Then
राधा कुंड में
I went to Radha Kund,
और राधा कुंड में
and there
तट पर मैंने
at the bank of Radha Kund and sitting there at Krishna
गोपियों के साथ
with the gopis,
जल पे ही विहार
he is taking bath there. He's doing the water, taking water, bath pastime in the water. Mahaprabhu said that I saw that Krishna himself with the gopis, he is doing the bath krida, the jal krida. This is all called Ardhavachya Leela. So in the internal position, the internal stage, when he drawn himself, he's saying if you want to post, if you want to record, now he's deleted some items. You can use that now for Ekadashi. So you can open your ID in Facebook. You don't know? In this way, Mahaprabhu, sometimes Mahaprabhu, he used to be very long. Very long. Huh? No problem. If you want. Wait for 5 minutes. We are exchanging the mobile. Hare Krishna. Just wait for 5 minutes only. We are coming back. 2 minutes only. You put on there. Sometimes Chaitanya Mahaprabhu